Same time.
How you doing? You doing?
Trying to play around, I need it. You can probably see it. You'll probably think I'm gonna rip you out to pieces, get you in the sheets and hit it up and leave ya. Believe me, you are gonna say my reputation precedes me. But you gotta be fair. Girl, you might have heard about the numbers that I sleep with. That's not all I am, but at least there ain't no secret.
Mama always told me, Papa always warned me, don't hang around with boys like you. Teacher always told me never to be naughty, don't mess around with boys like you. If I had to listen, wouldn't be in this position. If I had to listen, wouldn't be in this position. If I had to listen, wouldn't be in this position. If I had to listen, wouldn't be in this position.
Hey yo, you've heard about me, right? You knowing that my rep's renowned. Your friends will tell you stay away because I've slept around. That's how it works though, the word will get around. Back in the day it didn't faze me, yo, but lately it has kept me down. And yo, I brought it on myself, but I ain't mad about it. I kept count, but why the did I brag about it? And I'll admit it though, my rep is deserved. But I'll be real, I wanna kill it though, cause having that rep is a curse. My last girl cheated on me with a close friend. That's two relationships, I had to watch them both end. But see, it messed with